Do you know, when we talk about accessing past life records of an individual, the most important thing that we focus on in an Akashic reading is what is the sole purpose of the individual. Sole purpose pertaining to आत्मा का क्या रीज़न है इस लाइफ टाइम में इनकारनेट होने का. What is it pending that the soul wishes to finishes and go back to the source. Why is it there on the earth is what we cover in a soul purpose reading. So when we do a soul purpose reading, the soul purpose of an individual could be to could be as small as किसी को देख के मुस्कुरा देना. किसी के लिए सोल पर्पस हो सकता है टू always be of help to others, not maybe not by money means, but through being there for the other person. It could be as small as listening to what the other person has to say. And then there can be some individual bigger issues like how to mend a broken relationship, or basically how to create balance in a relationship, how to be independent, how to take a stand for your own self, how to be financially independent, or let's say maintaining a work life balance. So yes, these are the areas that pertain to the soul purpose, and this is just a very basic examples of how we work. If you would like to know more about your soul purpose and what your records hold for you, please do get into touch with us at Atman by Varsha, or follow us for more such updates. Thank you.